God, here's a tornado. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit, boys.
What do we do?
Holy shit, I don't know. Get ready to run for the bathroom. If it comes this way, let's head for the bathroom. Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit. Look at that.
I've seen tornado.
Oh my God, dude.
Tornado before.
Oh, me neither. Hello.
Hi.
Holy fucking shit, dude. Holy fucking shit, look! Look!
It's coming.
Look, motherfucker, look! Right there, goddammit!
It's coming for us, yeah.
It's coming for you! Holy fucking shit. Stay over that way, goddammit. Stay over that way.
Those ducks are like.
Holy fucking shit.